How to make group on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create a group chat on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create a group on Snapchat, you just need to follow some steps. So the very first step is open up Snapchat application onto your device. After launching the application, you just need to go to the chat section. Here you see this home interface on your screen. So I want you to go to the chat section. After that, you can just tap on this blue icon. You can see at the bottom, you can see that blue with a chat and a pen. Just tap on that option. And when you tap on it, you can see the new group option very easily. Just tap on new group and you may create a group name if you want. I'm just gonna type in group name group right now. After that, select the friends and create a group. And just like that, you can see I have created a group on Snapchat. So therefore, by following this method, this is how you create a group. And after that, you may chat with the group people easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.